Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how to do annatto oil or aceite de achiote. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of annatto seeds, but more important, a lot of fun. In a pot, add the oil and the annatto seeds. I started in high, but I will lower it when the seeds start bubbling. Stir the oil with the seeds to distribute the heat better. Annatto oil or achiote oil is used to flavor and color many dishes throughout Latin America. Achiote oil couldn't be easier to make at home. It requires just 2 ingredients, annatto seeds and vegetable or olive oil. You can find annatto seeds at your local Latin supermarket or online. Keep on stirring it. Annatto oil is also known as achiote oil. This is made by mixing annatto seeds with olive oil, vegetable oil, canola oil. Corn oil can also be used. The main purpose of this red oil is to provide color to different dishes to make it more visually appealing. But annatto is also used as a condiment to enhance the flavor of dishes due to its slightly sweet and peppery taste. Its aroma is best described as nutty, peppery, and floral. I will use this annatto oil for a rub for roasting a pork Puerto Rican style, or lechon asado. When bubbles start to form around the annatto seeds, turn off the heat and let those seeds soak in that hot oil for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't overcook the seeds because it will produce a bitter taste. Transfer the oil to a container. Use a strainer to filter out the annatto seeds. You are now ready to use annatto oil as an ingredient to any dish that requires it. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.